Everyone creates excuses for why they're not successful. Where they went to school, who their parents are, the car they drive, the clothes they have. I simply think that's bullshit. A means to give yourself excuses. I didn't go to a fancy school or get a university degree, and yet, based on most standards, I'm successful. How did I go from being a problem for the boss to running things for the boss and now being a boss? I followed a set of basic principles. Together, they add up to advice I believe can be used by anyone to achieve success. At the heart of this method is a single concept that I call D2. It guides every business strategy I have. If you deliver simplicity, then it will drive growth for your business as well numerous aspects of your life. The executive assistant delivers simplicity to his boss. From this, he makes his boss's life easier to grow the organization. The CEO ensures her corporation delivers simplicity to their customers, in which makes their lives easier to drive their growth. It's simple. Deliver simplicity, drive growth. Want to learn more tips? They're in my book, The Bottom Line. It tells everyone how to develop fundamental skills that can make anyone into a success in business, leadership, and life. And you know how I know? It worked for me.